Hi friends, how are you all doing? This is Delnaaz Irani and I want to ask you, how has the lockdown treated all of you? Well, I have really enjoyed this lockdown period because I was doing what I like the most. I was cooking my favorite recipes. Every day I would turn into a chef and I would love my cooking. And of course, I did a lot of reading as well. But yeah, cooking was my favorite pastime. So, friends, my niece Alicia, she just told me one day that, Delnaaz, why don't we kind of start a blog together? We can talk about your recipes and people can know that you're a great cook. But I was like, how will we do this? Because to write a blog, we need to be professional writers. And neither of us are professional writers. So then we got started. We started looking for a great course in writing. And then we got one. Henry Harvin's content writing course, guys, where Alicia found out about 30 plus content types, which got everybody interested in my recipes. And not just that, she also learned about the real world projects and made some very good pocket money. This was because they offer a membership after training. So guys, if you really want to learn a new skill and become a proficient writer, you know what to do because there's lots of free time. So definitely, guys, learn to write well and join this course called the Henry Harvin Content Writing Course.